I'm going to start out by cutting some XPS foam. I make sure to cut it to size so that it fits inside of the display case. I sand down the sides, place down the track, trace the track outline, trace that outline onto the sides of the foam block, and then using a hot wire cutter, I cut the foam to the terrain shape I want. I want it to be a little bit higher, and so I put another piece of XPS foam on top of it. And I cut both pieces at the same time. I then glue the two pieces together. Apply some pressure, and then I can start marking the terrain. I'm creating the rock face now. I can follow up with a piece of rock being pressed firmly against the foam. I repeat this until I'm satisfied with the results, and then I start painting it. Now first I prime it with a gray primer, and then I paint the rocks a yellow ochre color. This color is good for brownish and some gray rocks. I think I'm going to be going with brown here, but it's a good base color for you to add your washes to. And so I do so, adding the preferred washes and mixing them together, blending them up, and then repeating the process with more of the same wash or different colors. After I'm satisfied with the wash, I paint the sides a flat matte black, and then it's time to apply the track onto the terrain. I then apply ballast. This is a mix of gray, white, and brown ballast. After I'm satisfied with how it looks roughly, I brush it out to give it a more even appearance, and so that you can see the ties in between the ballast. I spray it with some detergent water, apply some glue, and then let it dry. After the glue has dried, I apply some pigment. I dab this onto the rock face and the terrain, and then spread it out. I then add a small telegraph pole, and the model is finished.